Look at this shot. We have a lone wolf howling in a dense atmospheric environment, rendered with fluid, cinematic realism. If you've tried generating something like this recently, you know exactly how the cycle ends. You run a few tests, get some impressive results, and right as you start to figure out the tool, your daily credits run out. But there is a specific workflow that bypasses those limits. It provides unrestricted, continuous access to top-tier models like Veo 3.1 and Grok. You don't need an account, you never enter a credit card, and exports are completely watermark-free. When you remove those financial and usage barriers, your creative process shifts. Instead of rationing every single credit, you can test dozens of ideas, make mistakes, and iterate until the shot matches your requirements. The engine driving this workflow uses an integrated AI assistant to handle the complex prompting for you. High-end video models require highly specific English instructions to function properly, so we let the onboard Gemini tool do the heavy lifting. You type in a basic idea, like a futuristic samurai, and the assistant expands it into a dense, carefully structured descriptive prompt that the rendering models can easily interpret. Once that prompt is generated, you copy the text, switch over to the text-to-video interface, and paste it directly into the main input field. Before you hit generate, there is a crucial step that traps a lot of new users. You must manually change the aspect ratio setting from the default vertical layout to a 16:9 landscape format. Taking those extra seconds to let the AI build a structured, high-density English prompt is the dividing line. It ensures the model has enough context to produce a professional-grade sequence instead of a muddy, generic clip. Inside the platform, we have a choice between 3 rendering models. First is Seedance 2.0, next is Grok, and Veo 3.1. To see their actual capabilities, we are going to run our exact same Samurai prompt through all 3. Because this platform is free, the servers can occasionally stall under heavy traffic. If your generation hangs for more than a minute, just hit refresh on your browser and run it again. You might also encounter a pop-up asking you to share the page on social media to continue. To bypass option, but set the post to private, it clears the roadblock immediately without cluttering your public feed. Looking at this triptych, the left and middle panel show the output from Seedance and Grok. They give us a basic sci-fi subject, but the edges are soft and the internal details of the armor struggle to hold together logically. But when we look at the exact same text processed through Veo 3.1 on the right, the render sharpens. The lighting behaves accurately across the metallic textures, and the finer details of the environment are clearly defined. That jump in texture and lighting precision makes Veo 3.1 the necessary choice for creators needing a premium cinematic aesthetic. Even with a highly capable model, relying entirely on text-to-video leaves you guessing on the initial framing. You have zero control over how the camera positions the subject. We solve that by splitting the workflow. Look at this layout. We use the platform's image generator first to lock in a static, wide composition of our Neon Samurai. Once you have a layout that works, you download that static frame and migrate it directly into the platform's image-to-video module. Now, instead of describing the whole scene from scratch, you upload the image and type a specific action prompt to dictate exactly how you want the subject to move. The final video maintains our lighting and composition. When the samurai starts to move, it executes the action while keeping the background structurally sound. Splitting the process into composition first and motion second provides specific directorial agency. You stop hoping for a lucky text-to-video result and start directing intentional actions within a specific, controlled scene. The visual motion is locked, but the clip is silent and carries a small watermark embedded in the corner. To build out the audio track, we use the platform's integrated text-to-speech tool. You paste in your script, select from dozens of regional languages, and assign a specific tone to match the mood of the video. Finally, we export the file to an external web tool called 123apps. You draw a bounding box over the corner graphic, process the file, and the watermark dissolves entirely, leaving you with a clean frame. High-end visuals paired with clean framing and clear audio make the final output look deliberate. It ensures your media is not limited by technical watermarks or the lack of a soundscape. Look at the final result. We successfully integrated Veo 3.1 visual fidelity, custom-directed motion, localized voiceover, and an unmarked frame. And we generated this without entering a credit card number or hitting a daily usage barrier. Keep in mind, the AI landscape shifts rapidly. Free routing into premium models like this is historically short-lived, as these access points usually get patched or paywalled quickly. High-tier production quality is no longer gate-kept by significant budgets. The advantage shifts to creators who identify and master these unrestricted workflows while they remain accessible.